Do you want to learn faster? Do you want to be more efficient than ever? Do you want to improve as a 3D artist? Well, I can't help you with that, I'm sorry. But you can help yourself. Just follow along and you'll see how in a minute. Death Stranding. To summarize this game, you play as a drug mule named Salvador, who strives to reunite the villages of a fictional post-apocalyptic country named Colombia a few hundred years from now. In order to make money for a living and other basic human needs, you work for a cartel known as Bridges, and you deliver help to other isolated settlements while carrying around the result of a failed marriage wherever you go. But I won't be covering the gameplay today. I will be focusing more on a small challenge that came out a few days ago. It's a very interesting one because I've learned many things while doing it, and some of them are crucial in order to improve as a 3D artist. And I guess that most of you guys want to be efficient, so learn more in less time. That's why we'll get right into it. The rules are very simple. Model something from Death Stranding in 20 minutes or less. It can be anything, and obviously it doesn't matter if you've never played the game before. The important thing is what you can accomplish in 20 minutes. Luckily, there are plenty of designs to choose from, but I decided to model this bathroom because of reasons. Mainly because I'm focusing on learning more about sub-D modeling and hard surface in general. So, I won't be showing you the full video, because that will be boring as hell. You can find that in the description, but I will describe how I approached this challenge. First of all, I started out by doing the general blockout of this model. After getting the proportions fairly right, I started adding some of the details. I did this a few times, then I started using live split timer, which made time tracking fairly easier. You can find that in the description, it's pretty easy to use. Then I realized something very important, something that I already knew, but never bothered to fix. I was wasting too much time on details. Trust me, you never do realize how much time you waste on some small designs that maybe nobody is going to see, especially if you're just exercising design. Unless you're doing a piece for your portfolio or you're trying to sell that 3D model, there is no point in focusing on smaller details and topology problems. Focus more on the big picture and how the model is going to look at first glance, because nobody is going to zoom in on your model and look at all the small details unless you already caught their attention right from the beginning. Needless to say, that is not an easy task, but as they say, practice makes the master. I also spent 20 minutes on texturing, but that is not necessary. You can take as much time as you want. So, what have I learned from this? First of all, spend more time on the big picture and less time on small details. As a second thing, I learned that using Ctrl-R when you have to repeat an operation many times is a very good thing to do. The third thing is take advantage of the shortcuts and add some of the most used operations to your quick favorites list. So go ahead, start this challenge right now, see what you can do in 20 minutes. Characters, environments, hard surface, it doesn't matter what you decide to model. You can share your results on my Discord server. It's a small server for now, so your results are definitely going to be seen by myself, and I can give you some feedback on your work. Thank you for watching, I'll be waiting for you on my Discord server. I started this channel about a week ago, and I really enjoy making YouTube content. I also put a lot of effort into the videos, because as a viewer, I prefer seeing quality over quantity. If you're like me, then consider subscribing for more content like this. So, thanks again for watching and stay tuned for more quality content.